What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy AAVE on Coinbase. So what we're going to do is log into our Coinbase account, and after that you will arrive at this homepage. Then we will click on the top section, the buy and sell button. Just click on it. After that we can select the purchase frequency. So if you would like to buy it daily, weekly, twice a month or monthly, you can select it over here. But for now, we'll leave it on one-time purchase. After that, we can fill in the amount we would like to purchase. So I will use €2. If you're using dollars, you can select it later. That is no problem. And then we will select the asset which we are going to buy. So we will buy AAVE. We tick it in the search bar, and after that it will appear in this list. Click on it, and now you have selected AAVE to buy. I'm using my Euro wallet, as you can see, but if you live in the United States or other countries and using the dollar or other currencies, you can select it over here. So if you don't have any options over here, you can simply add a payment method by clicking the button below. After that, you can select it in this list. For now, I will leave it on my Euro wallet. And after that, you can click on Review Order. Click on that button and the overview of the costs will be shown. As you can see, I'm buying a small amount of AAVE and I'm using my Euro wallet. The price of the purchase is €1.01. The Coinbase fee is quite high, it's 99 cents. The total amount I'm purchasing is €2. So if you want to invest it weekly, then you can select this button. For now, I will leave it on no. And if you decided to buy this coin, then you can click buy now and the coins will directly be added to your wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you!